All right, any questions? Okay. So if there is no questions, let's actually do a little bit of analysis to the midpoint rule, right? I mean, at the end of last lecture, we analyzed, we introduced what the midpoint rule is. So instead of approximating the time derivative using t plus delta t and t, we approximate the time derivative using t plus delta t and t minus delta t, right? We subtract the difference between t plus delta t and t minus delta t, and then we divide by not 1 delta t by 2 delta t, so that the spacing between these 2 points are reflected. I want to ask you to again form pairs and try to figure out, if I try to prove the Euler's formula using a midpoint rule, right? What do I expect? What behavior do I expect as I increase my n? Okay, please. Yeah. Yeah, so let me keep the Taylor. Do you want me to write down the midpoint rule here or keep the Taylor series here? Oh, let me keep the Taylor series here and write down the midpoint. So du dt is approximated by ut plus delta t minus ut minus delta t divided by 2 delta t, right? So that's the midpoint rule.
Sorry.
Next time we need one more.
Oh, I can pull one more.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, we don't actually. Yeah, we don't. I thought we need one more paper.
You guys can move them down a couple space.
Yeah.
So do we have to expand both?
Yes.
I guess it's a minus, but again, be more or less.
So then we get the so anywhere there's a delta t, there's a
So I just fired out the Oh wait, yeah. So like half is like cancel and half of them are two.
Right. You need to expand one term, at least one term further, otherwise everything was cancelled.
So this will, for the odd power, this would be a positive. For the example, positive. Okay, so these cancel and then four base will okay, and then what else we cancel? So this will cancel with that. Yeah. These will add. This will cancel with that. And then or am I doing this backwards? Okay. And these guys will this will be power. So then when we subtract it, it's positive. So these two will add. Oh, you're right. So the fourth order will cancel. Yeah. So then that'll so
I think we can ignore that one. That's like pretty small. Oh wait, sorry. This is delta T. Yeah, sorry. You're right. Yeah. So that one and this one is delta. I think that was wrong. I think that you can't do that.
Yeah. So it'd be just there.
I guess it's
on
good.
order.
These cancels, that's that one term.
Okay, Corey, get the. We should have a slope of what? If you minus one is right.
It's still negative. You know, it's really good reaction. Ooh, it's a negative sign. Yeah, because if you do this one and then you do delta T squared, you're gonna get squared. So then all the
it should go.
Right, because these aren't straight.
Oh, so these aren't straight. So we should do the possibly. I mean, you could do that. You could also leg out more than one.
When you're dividing by that,